This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Dante Lawrence. Look no further. Come and see this turn of the 20th century multi-level that's been totally renovated in the heart of North Wheeling Historic District. This home reveals a touch of original structure purposefully restored while displaying a true contemporary and trendy city feel, including the 3-tiered stairwell, second floor wet bar and TV display ideal for entertaining guests or just relaxing. Enjoy the sleek modernized kitchen, fresh bathrooms, hardwoods throughout, tons of light, and common area to enjoy some fresh air. Close to many popular venues Wheeling has to offer, including dining and entertainment. All utilities included, hassle-free, convenient. Call to schedule showing today. For more information, review the details below.